Alright, so there's two ways of doing this oil change. You can either do the vacuum, which is what the dealer does, or the drain and fill, which is what I'm doing. The reason I'm doing the vacuum is because we don't have this tool. You need, let me show you guys this. JLR 303-1644. This one. Filter is right on top. It's 25 Newton meters, by the way, for the filter torque. And then showing you how to reset it. I'm gonna use the scan tool to reset it instead of doing all this. And then this is how you check the oil level, because there is no dipstick, of course. Yeah. Wow. I don't want to go through all that. So, drain and fill. By the way, engine oil initial fill from the factory is 10 liters. Engine oil with filter is 8 liters. Why is it not here? So you have to remove the engine undershield. I'll show you in 1 second. Don't touch this. Just undo the metal one. And then the drain plug is right there. 24 Newton meters on the torque for the drain plug. You have to use a torque wrench for it. So we got to go up to 25 Newton meters. Right there. Hey guys, just want to show you a quick trick. If you just did an oil change on Land Rover, one of the new ones with the digital dash, start button one time. And then you don't press the brake pedal, nothing. Just wait for all these messages to go away. Make sure your hood is open. Go to service menu all the way at the bottom, then oil level. Now see how it's not displaying anything? Then you take cancel button twice in 1 second, real quick, and it actually goes into service mode and shows you the oil level regardless if the vehicle's been sitting for 30 minutes or not. So especially for you guys that are, let's say you're getting 1 hour book times to do oil change, you can't just sit there for 20 minutes, 30 minutes waiting for the oil level. So this cancel button actually acts as a service mode button as well. And then there's your oil level. With the oil change, by the way, oil and filter, it's 8 quarts. So what I do is I go 7.8, just slightly under max, because you don't want to overfill this thing and then have to suction oil out or, you know, make your life difficult. So that's it.